Okay guys, welcome back, and we are carrying on with our rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings, and here's something you don't see every day, guys. I've toyed with the idea for so long with these. I've seen them on eBay for so long, and I've thought, you know what, I don't know, man, doesn't look functional. I love the Jap stuff, man. I mean, come on, their sweeties are just like anime. And then you've got this. So let's have a look, guys. This is officially rare, and I've never seen a pink case. This is the first time I've actually seen a pink case on a Mini Z display stand. Sorry, a pink display stand, so I've never seen one before. So this is the first, and this is officially rare, and if I'm thinking right, it's 1 in 2,000, guys. Yep, I am. And there's two versions of this. Look at that. Only in Japan. That is so crazy, man. I'm not really a massive fan of the answer. I do like the way that it covers that grill, the artwork. And here we are. So this is the Kyosho Alice Motors version, right? And don't worry about the glare, we'll sort that out. And can you see, guys, the limited edition is 1 of 2,000, so that's kind of pushed my limited edition ones up a little bit, because this is an added bonus one to it. Guys, do you know what that dot on 4,200 means? Because there was a point I was thinking, is that how many they made? But obviously not in this case. So if you know, let me know, because I don't know what that means. So on all of them, all the displays with the cards, with the inlay cards, I've got that written on. There's a dot and there's a number next to it. What does that even mean? Okay, back to the car. That must be Alice. And Alice has got some funky decals. And there's two versions, guys. There's one that's got black wheels, yeah. And there's this version, which is kind of light. It's got the pink display stand. And this is the officially rare one. I don't know if the other one's officially rare. But yeah, it's hard to get hold of the other one. And yeah, you wouldn't think anyone in their right mind would buy two of them. I bought the other one as well. Alright. Don't unsubscribe, guys. I'm not losing it that bad. Okay, and I had this anyway, guys, but you know, I just wanted to... This is in really good condition, and I thought, you know what, hard to get hold of now. It's in good condition. I'm going to use it. I'm going to definitely be using these in my drift vids. So, can't go wrong, man. They do look nice. Apart from the fact that there's no jacked up spoiler on the back, everything else is nice. I love that flame effect. Love it. Can you see it, guys? It's got like a crazy kind of, I don't know, is it a tyre pattern or something like that? Or gear pattern over the arch of the wheel. And I like that. I like the flyer, the flames. Crazy. So this is the, what is it, Super Copper Mix. Yeah. I got a clue what that is. It must be something to do with engine parts. And there's no high performance oil. Oh, it's oil. Okay. Cool. And I've got that with, remember last time, guys, I had them crazy alloy wheels. So yep, we'll see that with that. Okay. We'll put on the stand, guys, have a good look, and let's move on to some more craziness. Okay, guys, so here we've got the other edition of the Kyosho Alice Motors Lancer Evolution X, and this is the 2011 version, guys. I didn't really know anything about Alice Motors, and basically, I mean, there's two versions of this car, guys, that Kyosho have done. This is nice. I prefer the other one. This is the one with the pink cover or display stand. Pretty cool. And obviously it's a limited edition, 1 of 2,000. But I actually prefer the other one. So yeah. So, pretty cool. So this is the one with the 7-spoke silver wheels. This is the all-wheel drive version, guys. I had this in pearl white. Yeah, it's quite a narrow car, so it was all-wheel drive as well. That one was the same, exactly the same as this one. 94mm wheelbase, and this is the L. And there's no offsets in these wheels. That's what used to annoy me. That's why I love the R8 all-wheel drive car. That's the only all-wheel drive car I've come across that's actually got an offset where you can put some deep dish wheels on it. So Alice, the girl on this, is a mascot of Alice Soft, a Japanese software developer, and in 2011 a joint venture with Kyosho in the racing world transformed it into a race queen. So yep, that's who Alice is. And obviously we know the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, which is called the Evo. Amazingly high performance car, guys. It was surprisingly just a 2-litre turbocharged engine, guys, with the all-wheel drive system. And they released it originally just in Japan, but there was such a demand, guys, from the UK and America, or UK and Europe, that they actually decided to export them. So there were real big demand for imports in the UK and Europe, and then they started to go to America as well. And the versions they took over to the UK were a bit more hyped up. They were the 300 horsepower versions, up to 360 horsepower. So they started with a prototype, and then obviously they just hyped it up, man. So this has got the super all-wheel control, which is like the 4-wheel drive system, but it's Mitsubishi's version. And in the US is a Lancer Evolution MR, which has got a 6-speed twin-clutch Sportronic shift transmission. And the other is a GSR, which is a 5-speed manual transmission system. So I think they actually sent different spec cars all over the world. So yep. So yeah, there's loads of stuff about this car, lots of history about this car as well. And it was a successful platform. A friend of mine actually had one, and which one was it? Was it the 10? I can't remember, but it was doing 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. And I remember we were on the road, and a sports motorbike pulled up alongside him, and he actually overtook it, which was pretty shocking. The bike kept up, but then he started leaving it, and I'd never seen a car do that before. It was a real shock. So yep, a real rocket. So guys, more of this craziness to come. Look out for the other one. There's another one like this, a bit darker, same with the Alice logo, anime kind of character. I prefer that version, guys, and look out for that, because that's in these unboxings as well, guys. And yeah. And that one I got from Tech Japan. So Mu_Tech_Japan. And he did me a really good deal on that. The Advan, it was this Super Copper Mix decaled Silvia body shell, but this wasn't the Formula D one. I think it was classed as the Nismo Silvia R-Tune Proto. So they did this in this version and in a white one with a bit of a decal on the bonnet and on the sides. But this I thought would look pretty cool as a drifting car. But the only thing is, now looking at the Rockstar version and looking at the Hankook version, you know, don't get me wrong, it still looks pretty cool, but it needs that jacked up spoiler, man. That makes all the difference. But nonetheless, pretty cool body shell. And them alloy wheels do bring out the car a little bit. So I have that, and this is just a bit of a bonus bit, guys. Just going to show you some of the Silvias that I've got. So I have that one, which I do like, and then I have the one that has the kind of carbon fibre look on the bonnet, and this is also a Drift-spec car. And when I got this, I didn't have an orange car, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to get an orange Mini Z. So that's what led me to get this little bad boy. Let me put him on there and you can have a look at him. But I don't know, I still think that looks pretty cool. Yeah. It's kind of like a toned down version of the Formula D ones, but the decals are still pretty cool. And the silver looks alright. So you've got the decals on the roof and on the bonnet as well. So pretty cool on tinted windows.